One yesterday, 6-3 Manifestor. That's interesting. Manifestors are pretty rare, 9%. Manifestors have to be asked for their guidance. No. You guys, you just speak things and do things. You don't have to be asked. I have to be asked. I'm a projector. I need to be asked for my guidance, and I'm here to guide. You're not here to guide at all. You're here to lead, which is different. Leaders are like, this is gonna go there right now, and I'm gonna do it right now. And manifestors, you just need to inform. You just need to say what you're about to do, and then you eliminate all resistance. I definitely polarize people when I stand in my truth. Manifestors are fucking triggering. Like Jordan Peterson is a great example. Relentless voice energy that just... you're gonna have people triggered left and right. You should lead people to peace. Lead people to peace. Organize things, initiate things that lead to peace, because you are here to be in your signature, which is peace, as opposed to anger, which is when you are inauthentic. Welcome Carolyn from Tongvaland. How you doing? Welcome Katya from Canada. Welcome back. Who else is in the building? Welcome Brady Sunshine from Florida, USA. And welcome Belle from Australia. Yeah, I don't have any specific accent. I just love to use my voice in ridiculous ways. Yeah. Projectors like me, we need to be asked to guide people. Manifestors, totally opposite. You don't have to look at anyone before you do something. I mean, it's not like I need to have permission to go to the toilet. It's not like that. It's in my interactions with people. It's when I share things. Because if I shared without somebody asking me, you would... Yeah. I'm not well received when I just do things. Yeah. That's what happens when you're a manifestor. Because there's no resistance. You're just like pushing people left and right just with your energy. People, and you will, if you want to be more well received when you just do things, explain what you're about to do before you do it. That's called informing as a manifestor. Before you just do things, you don't ask for permission like, is it okay if I do this? No, just say, I'm about to do this, and then go and do it. So just inform people. It eliminates resistance. Katya, I did the Myers-Briggs test last night, find out I'm an INFP. I'm also INFP. That's really rare. And also manifestor. So Katya, for the same thing goes to you if you're also manifestor. Just, I always say this metaphor. Imagine you're sitting in your living room and somebody opens up the door and comes in and starts rearranging your furniture in your bedroom. And you're like, who the fuck are you now? And if the person says nothing, you're gonna get attacked. They're gonna get attacked. But if you come in and say, hi, I am the guy or girl that's here to rearrange your furniture, because you're a manifestor, the person's not gonna be like, no, the person's gonna be like, wow, now that you mention it, I actually do need some furniture rearranged. You're on point. Please come in and do it. But if you come in and start moving things around, people are just gonna be blah, 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 blah. What the fuck? So both of you, anyone who's a manifestor, inform before doing. And yeah, I'm also INFP, so introvert, nurturing, feeling, perceiving. So we're like very introverted dreamers, idealists, mediators. Yeah.